Azadi Tower is one of the main symbols of Tehran, and besides its beautiful and iconic exterior, its interior is also interesting and multi-sectioned. Azadi Tower is about 45 meters tall and built from 9,000 white marble pieces. The tower has 3 main floors, 2 mezzanines, and several basement sections, connected by stairs and an elevator. The ground floor houses the main entrance and includes a waiting hall and visitor reception area. Usually there is ticketing and access to the basement and museum. Natural light enters through the blue glass windows above the arches, creating a calm and majestic atmosphere. The most important interior section of the tower is the basement, where Azadi Museum is located. It features historical artifacts, photos, models, and temporary exhibitions about Iranian history and culture. Sometimes part of this space is used for contemporary art displays or cultural events. In one corner, there is a small auditorium for showing documentaries about the towers or Tehran's history. The second floor, accessible via narrow spiral stairs, offers a good view of the tower's internal structure and geometric architecture. In some tours, guides allow visitors to closely examine the stones, geometric windows, and intricate arches. The third floor, near the top, has a viewing platform where visitors can see a 360-degree view of Tehran, especially Azadi Square and surrounding roads. It is accessible by elevator or stairs. The top section also contains a metal dome structure, not visible from outside, designed for structural stability. Other sections include narrow corridors and technical spaces for maintenance and facilities, as well as blue glass skylights that are decorative and also bring in natural light.